Welcome to another LVTRV24 South African Tour number 3. We start our day off, we get our luggage, we're going on a game drive in, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Then we go to Swaziland. So first off, we get to a game drive this morning. So the safari ride, it's a lot of brush, trees. You can't really get off the road to go look for animals here. It's not a prairie, not plains. It's all up in hill and down hills. And then guess we turn around the corner and guess what? A couple of rhinoceroses. I think they were having a little discussion earlier. You might hear the guy tell us in the beginning, their advice is they haven't seen the rhinos in a couple of days. They've been up in the high country. Whoops, hey, get out of my way. So I said them two have a little discussion. That's my food, your food. But anyway.
The name of the bird.
Yes.
It's a Cape Nosy
Got to see about
starling.
20 of them eventually.
Cape Nosy starling.
Or it could have been 5 of the same 4 times over.
We're so lucky to find the rhinos. Rhinos, you see, this is doesn't have any head, which is protection. That is why they wallow. In fact, there is no white or black rhino in color. It's a white. Look them out. It's white and square. So this one is a grazer. It's in the grass. It's not good for the eyesight.
Peekaboo, we see you. Or it sees us. Impalas. Mr. Warthog crossing the road. Gazelles or impalas coming toward us, actually. And then there saw more rhinos top of this little hill that was above us. I believe these are white rhinoceros. And a couple of zebras hanging out with the rhinos. I ran to Mr. Elephant. There's only one that we saw on this adventure. The Cape Buffalo, sniffing at us. What are you guys doing here? Oh, he's so lovely. Some more zebras up the hill. Another set of rhinos. This one was eating some grass. And ran into some monkeys up on the tree limbs, of course. Hey, you looking at me? He jumped down and headed out in the roadway. Now, warthogs with her little ones. A lot of brush, tall trees, so we can't go driving all over the place to go get any closer to these animals. And the bird on top of the Cape Buffalo. Cape Buffaloes want to cross the street, they can cross the street anywhere they want. Got a little bird on them. The males are at the back, waiting for everyone across the street. This one's telling us, okay, time to move. These are the old farts in back. This was a kadu. We get back on the road and we head to Swaziland.
Currencies in Swaziland, they have the Lilangeni and then they use South African rand as well. So if you have any South African rand, you can use it here.
And of course we had to stop at some shops. It was all handcrafted by the locals. They had 10 different shops in this place. Candle factory. This was our hotel for the night. It was called Mountain View International Hotels by Bon, B-O-N Hotels. It was in Swaziland. This is just a basic hotel room, nothing fancy. Had a safe, nice restroom, nice shower. Actually a comfortable bed. King size bed. Of course had all these different outlets that we had to get adapters for. We brought them anyway. And it was called Mountain View Hotel because we had a mountain view. They told us do not walk past the lane there. Had a nice pool, nice area, common area. The view you really couldn't see because we're at 4,000 feet. So it's kind of our group with a buffet breakfast. It's full. So this day we head out to the glass factory, cultural center, and back to South Africa.
See that?
She was pointing out a decanter. And all the glassware there that was here was made here. This factory started in 1979 by the Swedish, who taught the locals how to be craftsmen in their trade. And they do make some very nice glassware. Very noisy and very hot in here. This is where the magic happens. All these individuals down here are expert glass makers. This stuff is hot right out of the ovens, and away they go, making their crafts for the day. I don't know, that glass that comes to the guy who's forming this, looked like it was a handle of some sort, is very, very, very hot. And this is some of the glassware they make. The Kingdom of Iswazi. Best view in town. The glass factory on top of the hill.
Thank you.
They also had little knick-knack shops there. This is all homemade, or excuse me, handcrafted.
Open the glass period.
Earrings,
Come back.
pottery, necklaces. Yeah, some beautiful stuff. Next time, bring more. Across the South African border again. Can't take any pictures around there. To go to a cultural center. These young individuals sang to us. Well, it's time to wrap it up. Thanks again for watching our video. Like, comment, subscribe. Love and hug somebody. Thank you from Sal and Trish.